What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a brand new restocking video. This is going to be a little mini restock just because we're preparing for a huge restock next week that's going to be filled with nothing but DIY clay slimes. It's going to be so exciting. That is going to be next Friday at 6 p.m. Central, just like this one here is at 6 p.m. Central. Every single Friday we restock at that time, so I'm really excited. This is going to be a little mini restock like I said, just because I wanted to have a smaller restock just in case people aren't able to buy next week and want to buy this week. So if you want to do that, make sure you use the code SHOOK for 15% off and you'll get 15% off of your purchase at checkout. And I also want to mention that if you want any of the big three, make sure you get them this week because they're not going to be available this next week. So yeah, I'm really excited to get on with the slimes. Of course, you're watching Chanel number 2. She is gorgeous, my queen, my bestseller. She is Bubblicious bubblegum scented, smells really, really good, like a fresh pack of Bubblicious, and it's just really thick, glossy, and amazing. Next up, we have Baja Blast. This is my second bestseller. However, sometimes it does sell out faster than Chanel. It just depends on the week. It's really good this week, though. Just saying, it's super, super drizzly and amazing. I love it so much. It is a hybrid slime. It's a hybrid between like a cloud dough with a little bit of drizzles and a icy slime. So it's really nice. It's scented just like Baja Blast soda, which if you've never had it before, you need to go to Taco Bell, sweetie, and get one because they're so good. I think they even sell them now in a can. I'm pretty sure, like, you know, at Walmart or something. So you should definitely check that out. It's basically like a blue raspberry pineapple kind of version of Mountain Dew. So if you like Mountain Dew, you would love Baja Blast. It tastes so much better and it's just so good. Mud Mask is my third bestseller and last from the big three. This one is another hybrid slime. It's a hybrid between a butter slime and a cloud cream. I call it my buttercream texture, and it's just really good. It's scented like green tea lemon. It's super soothing. It totally reminds me of a mud mask, and it's just really nice, holdable, creamy, and spreadable. Everything you want from a butter and a cloud cream. It's just really good. Next up, we have a brand new slime. We call it Jet Puffed Unicorn Marshmallows, but you could just call it Unicorn Marshmallow for short. I don't even know if I'm going to be able to fit that on the label, to be honest, but this is a really, really nice slime packed with marshmallow foam beads, and it's super, super crunchy and creamy and amazing. It's actually scented like bubblegum and marshmallows. It smells really, really good, and I highly suggest you get this one if you like bubble pops, if you like creamy slimes, because the base of this is just so, so nice and creamy. And of course, it's a full floam packed with the marshmallow foam beads. It's just really good. Next up, we have Mexican fried ice cream. Now, this slime actually named itself because the scent is called Mexican fried ice cream. It smells really, really good. It's so, so good. I also added a little bit of caramel scent in it. It is just amazing. You definitely need to snatch. This is a thick and glossy slime, and there's a little bit of yellow clay pieces just to kind of represent like fried pieces that you would find in fried ice cream. And y'all, this one scent alone is just amazing, and you need to snatch it. Blue Raspberry Peeps is 100% inspired by Slime OG. She had a Peep slime and she covered the top with glitter to represent the sugar crystals. And I was like, hey, that's a good idea. I was going to do Blue Raspberry Peeps anyway, so I decided to go ahead and do that. This is scented like, you guessed it, blue raspberry and marshmallow peeps. It smells really good, and it is actually an inflatable puff slime. It's really nice. It's a sleigh slime, but you get to really, really inflate it, and you'll see it in the clips later on in the video. It inflates a ton. It's super, super cool, and I love it. Pink Champagne Gummy is a gummy slime, and I actually haven't stocked a gummy slime in such a long time, so I was really excited to do this one, especially because the scent, it is scented like champagne and gummy bears, and those go together so well, you have no idea. It's so, so good. Very, very thick and gummy-like, just amazing to poke, really, and super holdable, and of course that pink color is just very, very pretty. And last but not least, we have Banana Twinkie, and it's scented like bananas and Twinkies. It smells so, so good. I remember the first time I had a Banana Twinkie, it was life-changing. So the first time you get a Banana Twinkie slime, it's going to be life-changing, I promise you. I recreated this scent almost spot on. It smells so delicious, and it's a cloud cream texture. So I feel like it's the closest to what an actual Twinkie would feel like if you would just like squish it up and play with it. It's just really, really good. You definitely need to snatch this one if you like cloud creams, spreadable slimes, sizzly slimes. It's almost like a butter slime, to be honest. Alrighty, y'all, that is pretty much it for the slimes for this mini restock. I really hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!